A new day begins over fields grown for future popcorn.
These machines gather each ear with controlled precision.
Clean separation protects the popping quality later.
Every ear begins a steady path toward the plant. Moisture precision predicts long-term crispness and shelf performance.
Once sealed, the load is ready for transport.
Precise weight forecasting supports factory supply flow.
Grain country shifts into engineered production.
The harvest arrives at the factory, where transformation begins.
Every incoming load is logged before entering controlled ground.
These bays form the first controlled step of the process. Precision alignment ensures safe and efficient unloading. A sealed path protects kernels from dust and moisture. Bulk movement begins the plant's continuous cycle.
Gentle agitation prevents strain on conveyors downstream.
The plant routes every kernel through a fixed sequence of checks. Quick cleaning ensures smoother downstream grading. Continuous measurement keeps plant flow rates in balance.
Each silo maintains controlled moisture and temperature.
Automated checks prevent overfill and maintain uniform storage. Aeration stabilizes kernel condition for optimal popping performance. With storage completed, the plant prepares for the first internal processing stage. Behind these walls, the full transformation process begins.
Uniform protection keeps food environments safe from contamination.
This step prevents field dust from entering the production core.
Every path is structured to control airflow and worker movement.
This elevated level connects storage to the first cleaning stage. What begins here is the transition from raw harvest to refined product.
This is the factory's core, where precision guides every movement.
Real-time data keeps operations predictable and stable.
Controlled movement ensures no kernel contacts open air unnecessarily.
Operators maintain steady conditions through constant digital oversight.
This line begins the factory's internal handling cycle.
Air separation strips away the lightest impurities before deeper cleaning begins.
Precise mesh patterns separate what does not belong in the final product. Even minor field debris is removed through weight-based flow. Any foreign metal is flagged instantly to protect equipment and product safety. Fast reaction ensures no unsafe kernel enters the main line. Clean surfaces improve sorting accuracy and flavor absorption later. Consistent spacing ensures the sensors capture each kernel clearly. Only the highest grade kernels move forward toward popping preparation.
Moisture uniformity is critical for predictable expansion in hybrid popping.
Density grading refines the crop into a consistent popping profile. Orderly flow sets the pace for controlled preheating stages. Sorted kernels now move from cleaning into conditioning. This buffer stabilizes the feed for the tightly timed preheat system.
Equipment checks secure the reliability of the coming transformation.
The crop is ready for the controlled heat that shapes perfect popping. This thin film supports rapid, even expansion inside the hybrid popping system. This brief contact primes the kernels for rapid structural expansion. Airflow creates the perfect low-friction environment for popping. This controlled explosion transforms raw grain into its familiar airy form. Moisture removal protects crispness from the very first second after popping. Cooling stabilizes structure, so each piece holds its expanded shape. Only fully expanded product advances toward seasoning. Final cooling balances the surface temperature for uniform coating.
Automated dosing guarantees every batch tastes identical to the last.
Layers of flavor settle across each surface for a consistent bite.
This step unifies the coating so it adheres through packaging and storage.
Conditioning keeps the final product crisp, not greasy. Feedback systems maintain exact flavor consistency. With core processing complete, the product enters the line where refinement reaches industrial scale.
Controlled spacing gives each kernel a predictable path through the transformation lanes.
Cluster control preserves uniform shape, critical for consistent seasoning and packing. Electrostatic balance ensures perfect adhesion of final flavor layers.
Removing excess dust enhances flavor clarity and prevents seasoning waste.
These ribbons lock flavor into the surface creases of each piece. Multi-vector mixing ensures no kernel escapes, complete flavor coverage.
Heat fuses the flavor, turning powder into a stable coating layer.
Texture uniformity provides predictable mouthfeel.
Only structurally sound pieces advance to bulk line refinement.
Consistent size ensures accurate fill weights in packaging bags.
Stabilized distribution maintains smooth lane behavior in final processors. Cooling locks structural crispness before final flavor steps. The finishing layer adds aroma precision and enhances taste consistency.
This lift cycle embeds finishing flavor without damaging delicate shapes.
Shape accuracy ensures optimal packing density and smooth filling. With transformation complete, the product enters the realm of advanced automation. Precision mapping gives the automation system a complete view of every piece.
Gentle handling confirms product integrity for strict quality protocols.
Balanced distribution supports accurate filling later in the line.
Portion control maintains the pace required for high-speed packaging. Uniform layers ensure stable weighing accuracy. Continuous cleaning maintains hygiene without halting the line. Predictive algorithms prevent jams before they occur. Automated direction changes keep the system smooth under high-volume loads. Air cushioning protects the delicate expanded structure. Each bucket receives an exact target weight controlled by smart sensors. Perfect timing prevents uneven flow into finishing zones.
Stabilized movement prepares the line for high-precision finishing.
Automated inspection catches any anomaly before packaging. Oversight teams ensure harmony among hundreds of moving components.
With automation complete, the product reaches the point where final refinement begins.
Surface analysis ensures every finished piece meets strict visual standards. Shape accuracy strengthens the consistency of pack weight and mouthfeel. Internal balance ensures a crisp bite without unwanted toughness. Flavor precision is maintained at the smallest measurable scale. Gentle heat seals every flavor molecule onto the popcorn's surface. Balanced cooling restores crispness after flavor activation. Each piece must travel independently to ensure accurate weight fills. Lane shaping keeps the product dense enough for exact portioning. Perfect alignment prepares the product for controlled dosing. Shock absorption preserves each kernel's expanded shape. Multi-funnel dosing maximizes throughput while retaining batch accuracy.
Dual checks guarantee absolute confidence in portion integrity.
Precision gates protect the product's delicate structure. A final polish enhances appearance and improves storage stability. The quality system begins by confirming the product's outer consistency. Internal inspection reveals the true stability of each expanded kernel. Any imperfection is removed long before packaging begins. Laser mapping confirms the even spread of flavor across the batch. Aroma integrity ensures the product carries its signature scent. Each production cycle provides samples to verify core nutritional and structural traits.
Samples move from automated checks into human-led precision testing.
Air purity tests safeguard against microscopic contamination.
Surface readings ensure flavors bind cleanly without excessive oil.
Flavor calibration keeps every batch within strict formulation limits.
Density numbers ensure bags reach consistent fill volumes.
Ion balance maintains the brand's characteristic flavor profile.
Consistent color reflects perfect seasoning distribution.
With lab approval granted, the product moves closer to packaging.
Only certified popcorn reaches the final dispatch line. With quality assured, the popcorn enters the final stage of its industrial journey. The certified product now enters its final industrial stage.
Ultra-precise weighing guarantees consistent pack sizes. Film becomes packaging as each pouch is shaped for filling. Exact timing ensures perfect fill levels inside every pouch. Settled product ensures straight, reliable package seals. The airtight seal locks in freshness and aroma. Cooling ensures that seals hold strong through handling and transport. Verified prints ensure flawless identification in every shipment. The last weight check guarantees absolute product integrity.
Cartoning protects the pouches from transit stress.
Secure cartons ensure safe stacking in the warehouse. Robotic stacking maximizes warehouse space and load stability. Tight wrapping protects the product from dust, moisture, and vibration. The finished pallets rest in controlled storage, awaiting dispatch. Each shipment is prepared with full traceability. With the truck packed, the product begins its journey to stores worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce popcorn from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.